Yo, what is going on? So this is how to fix Reddit server error. So first, try simple things like restart your browser, close and reopen your browser to clear any temporary issues. This simple step often fixes the problem. Make sure to check Reddit status page. Visit Reddit status page to see if there's any reported outages or maintenance. If the site is down, wait for the issue to be resolved alone and make sure you're up to date. Then you're gonna clear browser cache and cookies. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can help resolve connectivity issues. This may vary depending on your browser, but you can usually find these options under settings or preferences. If you got any blockers or extensions, add blockers, whatever, disable them so to see if they are interfering with Reddit's functionality, and yeah. Of course, try to change a network and make sure you do not have any VPN turned on. So if the issue persists, try accessing Reddit from a different device or network to isolate the problem. After checking your internet connection and making sure it's working, also your device is working fine, so you're gonna wait and try again. If none of the above steps work, wait for a short period of time and try accessing Reddit again. The issue may be temporary and resolve itself, so make sure you're up to date always and check Reddit. If the issue still persists after all of these steps, you're gonna contact Reddit support to see if they can help you. And yeah, that's everything.